guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll take you guys through a vacation trip. It is a 3-day trip. Right now I'm at Tagda, which is a small town in West Bengal. So yeah, I'll take you guys through that. But right now, roll the clips of whatever I shot.
So those were like half of all the luggages that we had, and that's my father and all the people I'm going with, my cousins and their parents, but we are 2 people short. This is the clip when we reached New Jalpaiguri station and left for Tagda from there. And on the way to Tagda, we stopped to see the sunrise, as it was said to be very beautiful. It was 4 in the morning, 4 or 5, but just look at the view, it's so crazy. We also clicked a lot of pictures and saw the first ray of sun kissing the highest point of Kanchenjunga. The beauty was surreal, as you can see the view.
Look at the vans.
And then we got tired of singing, so we put FM and enjoyed the view.
As you can see, please ignore the music, but you can see this entire area. We are at Tinchule or whatever. I'll put it right here on screen. So yeah, that is so beautiful.
The beauty is mind-blowing, right? And we clicked so many pictures together. Also, you can find them on my Instagram. Go follow me there.
Guys, so right now we are at Lovers Point and I'll show you the view in a sec. कोमल को देखो क्या ही कर I hate you. It is Lovers Point. And this is the total view. Lovers Point, we have this chotu sa stall where we have ordered our Maggie and stuff, so we are gonna eat that. And please ignore him talking. Yes, so it's around 7:30 and we did our river rafting at around 5:30 ish. Or abhi obviously I couldn't vlog it, but yeah, anyways, that's it. I'm just going to show you my room, the homestay at which we are staying. Kya naam hai iska? Sambala Homestay. So let me give you a room tour. It's very cute. It's very chotu sa. This is how it looks like. Komal, Gunjandi. This is our bed. Don't mind all of this mess. And yeah. And that's the bathroom. All are wondering कि हम लोग कैसे आए हैं. तो I am here with all of my cousins.
Yeah.
फ्रीज हो रहे हैं. बहुत ठंड है यहाँ पे, बहुत ज्यादा ठंड है. प्लीज बॉनफायर चालू कर दो, मर जाऊंगी.
चला रहे लोग.
हाँ, अभी हम लोग बॉनफायर के लिए जाने वाले हैं. एंड आफ्टर दैट क्या होगा उसके बाद कैरियोके एंड देन विल हैव डिनर. दैट्स इट. बट दैट्स इट. So it's the next day and we are going at some झील. So some झील, पता नहीं कहाँ जा रहे हैं, पर जा रहे हैं. हमको यश भैया लेके जा रहे हैं. कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम
जा रहे हैं टी गार्डन. वहाँ पे मिनी वाटर प्रूफ है वो देखने. अरे तो कपड़ा भी लेना है वहाँ पे.
Look at the view, guys. It's so pretty. So
hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
this was the tea garden we came for.
And there is a small waterfall over there. Our brothers are trying to climb up. I don't know why, but you will see Yash Bhaiya trying to yell at them because we had to leave as well. So yeah, that was really pretty. And here is Gunjandi asking me to show you guys the entire view.
So we just saw the झील and everything, and now we are trekking towards our homestay area, and हम बहुत थक गए हैं, but as you can see the view is pretty good. So yeah, look at the view guys, this is so pretty. बादल ऐसे धीरे धीरे move कर रहा है.
So we stopped at this place on our way to Darjeeling. It's nothing specific. बस जाते जाते हमें ये बहुत सुंदर लगा and we stopped there.
The monastery अच्छा लग रहा है. And this is the inside of the monastery. It's so pretty. We are at a place which is called as Batasha Loop, and it is also known as Sunrise Point, I guess. So yeah, it's very pretty, but it's too cold right now. Hi, Yash bhai, हम लोग.
पता नहीं यार भूख लगी है
Okay guys, so we reached Darjeeling at around 4 o'clock and then we had lunch. मतलब हाँ 4 बजे लंच ही किए होंगे.
अबे 5
तो हाँ
6 बजे तो खाना रुक 5 बजे ऑर्डर किए थे 6 बजे खाना आया था
7 बजे तक तो
7 बजे तक हम लोग लंच ही करते थे. 4 से 7 हम लंच कर रहे थे क्योंकि बहुत ही गंदा सर्विस था. बट एनीवेज हम मॉल रोड पे लंच करने गए और उधर ही थोड़ा शॉपिंग कर रहे थे. बस दैट्स ऑल दैट वी डिड. दिस इज द नेक्स्ट डे एंड वी जस्ट गॉट रेडी एंड आई जस्ट शो यू द व्यू फ्रॉम आवर बालकनी. यहाँ से पूरा ऐसा दार्जिलिंग दिख रहा है. जस्ट लुक एट द व्यू. हो गए रेडी. वीडियो है. चाची भी हाई कर रही है. हाय. तो हम सब हो गए हैं रेडी एंड नाउ विल गो फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट पहले फिर शॉपिंग.
As it was Komal's mom's birthday, all the kids went to Glenaries to buy her a birthday cake, and we also had a little pre-birthday dessert sort of a situation going on. So yeah, but the place was really cute and pretty.
मेरे दिन नहीं है
Honestly, we did nothing much on the third day of the trip. We were in Mall Road the entire day doing a lot of shopping and eating a lot of junk. Basically, it was a chill day for all of us, especially for my dad as he was sleeping the entire day.
Subtitles.
How we gonna make it work when it hurts? When you pick yourself up, you get kicked to the dirt. Trying to make you work, but man, these times are hard. We gonna stop by drinking all cheap bottles of wine, sit talking up all night, doing things we haven't for a while. Smiling.
So after we came back to our hotel, this was happening. They have gone mad. Lastly, we are on our way to New Jalpaiguri to catch our train, obviously. But anyways, thank you so much to everyone for being so supportive about me vlogging the entire trip. They were all very comfortable and very thrilled about it. Also, shout out to our parents for sponsoring our trip. And yeah, that's about it. If you liked the video, do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, that would mean a lot to me. Bye. I'll see you in my next video.